gentlemen, thank you for tuning in for another episode. As you've seen on the last, we had finished servicing the fork tubes, and we went ahead and installed the new Vortex lever and the Vortex clip-ons here. Everything's all set in place. I do still want to make some adjustments here. I don't want my lever this far over. I think I'm going to kind of slide it over just a little bit more, slide the controls over a little bit more so the lever will come in, and kind of pull the end of the lever inside so I can leverage it more with just, 2 or 3 fingers. Right now, I can't really pull the lever in without smashing my knuckles. So I want to have a little bit of hand clearance here. I don't really typically use all my fingers on the clutch, nor do I typically use the clutch often. Once I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I got a quick shifter and everything. Thank you, Heel Tech. Anyways, we're going to start chipping away over here on the right hand side, the throttle side. I have the Motion Pro Rev 2 kit that we've got to install. So we're going to be running cables. It's honestly a pretty short run. Right through here, down, right through. It's really short run. But yeah, anyways, we got to run those cables, lube the cables, and then I got the Vortex lever for this side here, and I got the clip on also, so a little bit of work to do. I have, I forget what brand it was, but I got a brake reservoir holder perch, since this one's kind of fashioned into the OEM clip-ons. But yeah, as I said, that's what we'll be working on today. Probably set the camera up on a tripod or something and time-lapse it, most of the work. I got the other head camera unloading still from doing the Vortex lever here. Anyways, let's get some things set up and get chipping away at it. Alright, so I know I've been recording a lot, just kind of been letting it roll, but we've got everything tightened up here. Motion Pro throttle's on. Start switch up. I guess I need to tighten that up. Everything is on, ready to go. I'm gonna swap the lever real quick. I'll record that for you guys, and then I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. But yeah, Motion Pro throttle's on. Everything feels good. Like I said, I'm a little worried about the tension on these cables here, but once I get the tire on, drop the bike back down, spin the bars back and forth, see where I need to kind of loosen them up at. But I routed them the exact same way that the other ones were routed, the OEM ones. Feels good. I put the RR cam in there, and I'll bring the other gears with me if I want to change them as I go with the track. But other than that, I'm gonna break out the other new Vortex lever and get that installed. Totally got ahead of myself and got the lever installed. It was real simple. You just kind of assemble the lever out of the box, just put the two pieces together with the spring on there for the adjuster here, and once you do that, it's just one bolt. Clean the grease off the bolt, make sure everything was good. Everything's all tight, all jazzed up, ready to go. That's, like I said, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Black Bessy Media, and stay tuned for the next. I'm not sure what's going to be on the next, but it'll be adventurous. I got a big surprise for you guys coming first couple weeks in March, picking up something big. So, can't wait for the videos for that to come. Again, thank you for tuning in. See you guys on the next one.